Yeah, Three Fingers Fireworks and our new management, and we're going to take a little video tour. Alright, here we go. This is preliminary. He's got most of his stuff out and most of it set up. Got your little kitty play with. There's some throwdowns here. Got your pull string smokes. And I'm told that these are crackling. Got your Supernova cans, Willows. These are some new packaging. I think that's coming out of those variety packs, which we're going to see in a minute here. Got fountains. The big parachutes, the battalions. Got Air Patrol tanks. Yeah, here they are, the 2 packs. Great little fountain there. Good variety of fountains in these little assortment packs for the kids. Handheld fountains. Look at that. Big jumbo magic wheel. Dual exhaust. Oh. Fireball. Donkey balls, horn dog. Got some good stuff here. Got some Nunya. Sparklers. Galore. Morning Glories. Larger standards. Packs of Sky Bacon. Roman candles. These are fun. Bottle rockets. Black cats here. Half bricks. Black cat, the wolf packs. Skyrockets. More stuff coming. One of my favorite, Top Gun. There's Bling. Hot, hot, hot. It's good. I love that one. Y'all know I love that one. Buck Hunter. That one I haven't seen yet. Yeah, City Chaser, we know that. Magic Carpet. I don't know that one either. And I don't know this one. Hot Blooded. Sweet 200-gram cake. Grand Jury. American Chief, excellent ball show. And a good old standard. Got the repeat over here on this side pretty much. big battery cake. This one, Bright Star product. One-minute drive. Set of missile batteries. Again. Now, let's go to the shells. Calibers. And this, a super Nova cans. Five packs of 8. Uncle Sam, that's a must. Nunya again. Got some good stuff here, guys. Patriot shells. Those are excellent Black Cat shells. Then the Diablo. Smoke and Mirrors. Quests. Death. And Koto. Collection. Excellent kit. Here we get the neons, Mamba, and 5-inch neons. More going on here. Got 2 tiers, 3 level actually. Look at that. Okay. Yeah. City pack, Dark City. Powder Cake Venom. Standards. Yeah, you know that one. Yeah, I can't forget this one.
And those are a hard sell.
Nunya. Yeah. Sky Lanterns. Gender reveals. And that's about it.